What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, Kajin Bro Vlog. So for today's vlog and workout, we're gonna do a back workout. So let's start. Now this should be a T-bar row, but since we don't have that, we're gonna do a chest supported row instead. So let's start by setting an incline bench up to about 30 to 45 degrees. Grab a pair of dumbbells, lie chest down, and make sure your feet are firmly planted for stability. Now let your arms hang straight down, holding the dumbbells with a neutral grip, palms facing each other. Now engage your back muscles and pull the dumbbells towards your torso, squeezing your shoulder blades together at the top. Keep your elbows close to your body and avoid shrugging your shoulder. Lower the weights back down slowly and repeat with control. Now this exercise is perfect for targeting your lats, traps, and rear delts while protecting your lower back. Now you can aim for 8 to 12 repetitions. Now, depending on you, okay, on how you are strong or how you can handle it, right? So now let's proceed in our next exercise. On to our next exercise again. That will be the lat pull down. So this is an excellent workout for building a strong and wide back. Now we will be starting by sitting down in the lat pull down machine. Now you can adjust the thigh pad so it fits snugly against your legs, now keeping your stability during the movement. Okay, now next what we're gonna do here, it will be a wide grip lat pull down. So lean back slightly, keeping your chest up and your core engaged. From here, pull the bar towards your upper chest and focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together and keeping your elbows pointing down. Okay, avoid pulling with your arms because it will target your biceps. Now once the bar reaches your chest, you can pause for 1 to 2 seconds, probably depending on how strong you are. Okay, then you can repeat this exercise 8 to 12 controlled repetitions or 3 to 4 sets. Okay, again, it depends on you. All right, so let's go. Moving on our next exercise, that will be the reverse grip barbell row. So we'll start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart and a barbell on the ground, or for this one I put it on the bench so that I can grab it easily. Now bend your hips and knees to pick up the barbell with an underhand grip, palms facing up slightly wider than the shoulder width. Hinge your hips and keep your back straight, bringing your torso about 45-degree angle. Let the barbell hang down at the arm's length. From this position, pull the bar towards your lowest abdomen, squeezing your shoulder blades together at the top. Lower the barbell slowly and with control, keeping your tension in your back throughout the movement. Repeat this for 8 to 12 repetitions or 3 to 4 sets, okay? On to our last exercise, that will be the alternate arm seated cable row. So this is a perfect exercise for building back strength and improving muscle balance. Now start by sitting on the cable row machine with your feet firmly placed on the foot platform. One each hand using a neutral grip. Okay, sit upright with your chest up and core engaged. Begin the movement by pulling one handle towards your torso, keeping your elbow close to your body and squeezing your shoulder blade back. Hold briefly at the peak of the movement, then slowly extend your arm back to the starting position. Now you can switch on the other hand like what I did and repeat the movement. Keep alternating arms for 8 to 12 repetitions, 3 to 4 sets depending on you. Focus on smooth control movement and avoid leaning back, okay, as much as possible. All right, so that's our exercises for today. So there you go. Those are our workouts for our back for today. So let's do some flexing. Okay, so we are not yet there yet, so I cannot remove my shirt as of now. So you can just try to imagine it first. All right, so if you find this video helpful, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and share this as well. Thank you and God bless.